జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. Maricha tried so much to stop Ravana going against Rama, but now Ravana is not caring at all whatever Maricha said. Maricha's teachings, all that Maricha said, is something that can remove danger which is going to happen to Ravana. Maricha's teachings, whatever Maricha said, is definitely going to give all peace to Ravana. But now Ravana is not at all caring all that. On top of that, now Ravana getting back to Maricha very cruelly like this. Oh Maricha, whatever now you have said, all that is just waste. I am not at all going to care. Oh Maricha, as you said, Rama is not such a great man. He is a big sinner. Rama is very cruel. And Rama is very ordinary man. Oh Maricha, I can easily kill Rama in the battle. And also, Maricha, just by considering, by taking, after all, one woman's word, he gave up his entire kingdom. He gave up all of his pleasures. He gave up all of his friends. He gave up even his parents also and came down to Dandakaranyam. How stupid it is. Oh Maricha, now look at this. In front of you, having you witnessing the event that I am definitely going to abduct Sita, who is more dear to Rama than his own life. I will do that in front of you. Evam me nischita buddhihi. I decided that. Now even Devendra also cannot change my decision, cannot change my mind. Not only Devendra, even all the devatas at once collectively can come and cannot change my mind, change my decision. Oh Maricha, now I would like to tell you something. Did I ask you whether my decision is good or bad? I did not ask you. Did I ask you whether it is going to give me good result or bad result? No, I did not ask you. Then why did you tell all these things to me? If at all you want to tell something to the king, you should be giving some respect. Oh Maricha, if a minister wants to say any good things or give good advice to king, you know how he should be doing that? He has to be very humble and he has to fold his hands right in front of king and then say good things. And he should not be using any rude words and any tough words, and he should not be saying with any kind of anger. He should be maintaining very humble, gentle gestures, and he should not be putting king down, and also he should not be disrespecting king. That is how any good advice should be given to king by anyone. If it is not maintained like this, though those are all very good advices, but king nabhi nandati tadraja manarho manavarjitam, the king who always have and holds some dignity would never care even if they are all very good advices. You should know about this, Maricha. Like this, Ravanasura getting back to Maricha. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman-Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman-Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.